Came into the gay bar as a complete and utter homophobic. Now he's even more of a homophobic because I threatened our shaggy sons. He didn't like it. Alright. I haven't introduced you yet. Stop picking your nose and biting your teeth. Come on stage with your dad, alright? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the stage, band! Oh, you can see there's something there, ain't you, Dad? You are good to... I don't need to say, I'll just leave it with you, love.
How you doing? I see you met my faithful handyman. He's just a little brought down because when you knocked, he thought you were the candy man. Don't get strung out by the way I look. Don't judge a book by its cover. I'm not much of a man by the light of day, but by night I'm one hell of a lover. I'm just I'm transsexual, Transvestite. Let me show you around, maybe play with sound. You look like you're both pretty groovy. Or if you want something visual that's not too abysmal, we can take in a Steve Reeves movie.
I'm glad we caught you at home. Could we use your phone?
I ain't even gonna risk the steps.
We're both in a bit of a hurry. We'll just say where we are, then go back to the car. We don't want to be any worry.
Well, you got caught with a flat. Well, how about that? Babies, don't you worry. By the light of the night, it'll all seem alright. I'll get you a satanic candy. I'm just a sweet transvestite. From transsexual Transylvania. Stay for the night, or maybe a bite. I can show you my favorite obsession. I've been making a man with blonde hair and a tan, and he's good for relieving my tension. I'm just a sweet transvestite from transsexual Transylvania. Transylvania. So, come up to the lab and see what's on the slab. I see you shiver with anticipation. But maybe the rain isn't really to blame. So I'll remove the cause, but not the symptom.
Just, I think the gays have got a choice too as well, that's it.